What up, y'all? Happy Tuesday. Hustle Trading, BG here. Um, so I didn't do too much today. I'm just gonna go straight to trader view. Um, Traded in the sim a little bit. Uh, First trade off the bat was RBLX. Saw that off the not the gap scanner, off the momentum scanner, and I went in that with my hotkey. I forgot how expensive this one was. Went in at $39 a share for 2,000 shares, and then it kind of flushed on me. So I think I started off like immediately red, like $400 or $500. Then I held it too long, so I ended up losing a stack on that. I really wish they would add pre-market. So let's go ahead and pull up the warrior chart. There we go. I'll just go to the 5-minute. So yeah, I was probably in right here. Hit the momentum scanner, just false break. Like I think I waited for a pullback and then I got in, but it flushed on me anyway. Then held it for a little bit, did not average down, and I bailed not too long after. Let's pull it out. How long did I stay in this? Oh, I stayed in it for a half hour. So let's see. And did I average down? Yeah, I did average down. I had a chance to cut my loss in half, didn't take it. It pulled back on me. So we're in at, we'll call it 8:30 to 9:30. Let's go back. So yeah, it's at 8:30 to the open. Actually, we'll go to the 1-minute. This wasn't a horrible spot to average down. And if I would have waited a little longer, maybe I could have got that dip right there. But the big mistake was getting in too heavy and not bailing on the false break. That was the big mistake. All right. And then we had, what did I trade? SI, I think. Never even heard of this stock. No idea what they do, but they hit the scanner. And we were just green on this the whole time. So this was, this is before the open too. So had 4,000 shares, 16 cents or whatever. And just scalped it on the way up, it looks like. So best entry, 526. Worst or biggest sale, 1590. So that wasn't bad at all. And I really didn't like the gap scan today. I wasn't really feeling anything. There we go, blow it up. And I was a little late on this one because it hit the gap scan, but it took a while for me to look at it because I didn't recognize the ticker. And it just had this nice move, and it had this flush right here. And then look at that recovery on that flush. So I did say I wasn't going to hold or trade anything into the open. So that's how I avoided this. but that was a nice recovery right there. What we got? High of 16.20, low of 15.30. It's almost $1. Like, anybody that got in off the VWAP right there, that was a nice trade. All right. And then today I moved over to my live account, TD Ameritrade. I was really just checking to see how the fills were, because I really don't, the way I trade is not good for TD Ameritrade unless I get Dash Trader, because I need some serious hotkeys. There we go. Filter today's date. So then we got in CYAD, MGOL, another trade on SI, and so I got a little frustrated, a little discombobulated, because early on I was trading both accounts at the same time, and I haven't used TD in months, so I was just like forgetting where stuff was, and my charts didn't look the way I wanted them to look. So early on I was messing around. I gave away some money. I mean, not much, gave away like $10 on SI. MGOL, $3. But once I finally got situated, CYAD was on the scanner, or what was it on? No, I think that was the top gapper. So I started looking at that one. Oh man, I know I missed that move right there. Oh, this is going. No, I had to go to work, so I missed all of that. I think I was kind of done by like 12. So let's see what my entries were on CYAD. First trade was at 943. Now let's do this. See if we can pull up TD. Okay. There we go. All right, and these are just pops and flushes, a little scalp action. It was curling. I'm pretty sure I was watching it curl through the VWAP, and that's why I entered there. It didn't have as much conviction as I like to see when something breaks through the VWAP. So I was just trading it with small size, little micro scalps. Like this one, I might have got like 3 cents. So entries between like 202 and 206, and I was exiting at around 210 to 214, and just trying to buy the dips. And I definitely noticed these wicks here, and it never really broke out of that range. In fact, let's span out a little bit. Like yeah, it just stayed in that range for the rest of the day, but made a little change on it. What did we make on that? No idea what I made on that, but I guess 30 bucks or whatever. So that's not bad trading with small size. But that's what we were into today. I don't plan on messing around in Thinkorswim. because it's just so different than the way that I want to trade. So I think we're gonna stick to the plan and stay in the sim until around March 1. Stay consistent in there. And then I'm actually looking at CMEG and Sterling platform right now, because that's pretty much the same thing as the simulator I'm using, and it helps a lot. Like, I mean, it's one thing knowing the chart and knowing the entries you want and all that stuff, the exits, but when you got to think about how to execute your strategy, you're playing with your platform and stuff, like, yeah, it it's just one more thing to think about, and I don't even want to deal with it. So I think we're gonna either go with Sterling or Lightspeed platform, just kind of like stick to what you know. So that's all we got today. I hope everybody was green out there. I know some people in the chat made some bank. A couple people, what the hell? Something was popping. It might have been MGOL. Some people made a couple G's on that. But today I just wasn't feeling it too much. Just like once I got green, I was like, man, I'm done. Call it a day. But that's all we got. We'll see y'all tomorrow. Happy trading. Peace.